So I am entering Ambala Cantt railway station. So here highway is just passing in front of Ambala Cantt railway station. So there is a huge, means having height, and the flag is there, Indian flag, and in the entry itself our tank is displayed over here and showing it is Ambala Cantt. Anyway, so Ambala Cantt railway station is just adjacent to the highway and bus stand. In front of this is the bus stand. So anybody coming to Ambala Cantt railway station and requires to take the bus, so that is in walking distance, hardly 200 meters. So they can walk over and take the bus from there. So here at Ambala Cantt railway station, I will explain what are the facilities available. Anyway, some board is there, so at entry place out itself. So here I think the total platforms are 7, and ticket facility and waiting hall is also there. Second class waiting hall, AC waiting hall, and parcel office, clock room is there, reservation office, and escalator lift. So this is there. So at the entry itself, large number of people have parked the vehicles. So anybody wants to park their vehicle, they can park over here. Taxis are also available. Here at railway station and the entry itself, at the right side the escalators are there, and ATM machine is installed, and at the entry the people are having the queue for current reservation, and some Sahyog is written. So here it is entry. At the entry itself some train is available. So let me go over here and explain what are the things available over here. So this train is Jan Shatabdi Express coming from Amritsar and going to Haridwar. So Amritsar to Haridwar train is Jan Shatabdi, means you can have a sitting reservation without AC train. Station master, station superintendent. Station is quite clean. So here we have station superintendent, field chair, and primary health is also available. Drinking water facility is there. One can drink the water. Here ladies waiting room for sleeper class, and waiting room sleeper class for gents. It looks like quite good inside. The Bhojanalaya means refreshment facility is there, so you can eat the food over SK food. Okay, so sitting facility is there or not? Sitting facility is there, so one can eat the food sitting over here. So snacks can be ordered here, and child helpline 1098. If one requires, then it can be dialed. This is Jammu Tawi Kathgodam Express, heavily delayed, that I am I will be catching. There is a huge crowd. Let me show you the unreserved ticket reservation line. You can see it is behind these glasses. So unreserved ticket facility is there. So So one can take the unreserved tickets from here. Here it is first class waiting room. It's also there. So one can enjoy the first class. Here it is toilets for ladies and gents both. Again we have come to second class waiting room. Dutiya Sreni waiting room. And a retiring room is also there. So one can go to retiring room, can book the retiring room. So let's come to the waiting room. So this is the waiting room. It's a good one. So toilet is on payment basis. So one can go to the toilet, pay and use. So we have come to the end of the platform number 1. It is a railway mail service at the end. And here it is the board. So platform number 2 and 3. So this is the condition of the Ambala Cantt railway station that I have explained to you. I think you have got the proper information about Ambala Cantt railway station. One more thing I would like to add here, that this railway station is the junction, big junction. The trains that are coming from Delhi side and going to Jammu Tawi, Chandigarh, Kalka, all passes from here. So this is a big junction, and you can get the trains for these means for Amritsar, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Jammu Tawi, Pathankot, Chandigarh, Kalka, and all the Himachal means Una, for example, Una is there. So for those places you can get the trains from here. And very near to this place, means near to railway station, there is a bus stand. And if you want to take bus from for nearby places, then you can get the buses also from over here. There is always crowd in our railway stations. So same is at Ambala Cantt railway station also. So finally we are ending our video here. If you are interested in getting any other information, just put your comment below and we will try to answer it.